Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Honda Accord 2.0 Sport. So yes, this has the 2-liter turbo engine, same motor as the Civic Type R, just slightly detuned. It still puts out a ton of power. Sunroof, you do have wireless Android Auto, which is of course nice to have. Backup camera. Without further ado, we're in sport mode. Let's go take this thing for a drive. Gonna do a slightly different loop, running a bit late this morning, so of course it's a Saturday, we have our 9:30 meetings, so I want to make sure I'm on time for that. But on the way to work, I can of course talk about what this car's been like, because I've been living with it for the past 24 hours. That's probably my favorite part about this car, is just the available torque and power. It's always just boom, right there. I don't know where I put my screwdriver. So overall, handling wise, it's a decent chassis overall. Very, very capable. Now taking this on ramp at 50. And I'm not sitting there struggling for grip at all. It's always just right there. And I'm putting it into third. So you can tell the power is 100% there. Cruising on the highway, super comfortable. You can take it out of sport mode, put it in eco. With this 10-speed automatic, you're gonna be perfectly set. I've been averaging around 30 miles per gallon on the highway, if not more. It's just been absolutely comfortable. Do have radar cruise, so we'll go ahead, set it, set the following distance with that button here, and then you can set your lane keep, partial hands-free. Everything says you should keep your hand on the wheel. It's just better for safety, in my opinion. And if you are completely hands-free, it will chime saying steering required, just to make sure that you're not texting or doing anything like that. So let's see if that will come up anytime soon. There we go. It's going to say steering required. Just give the steering wheel slight input, and it'll go back to cruising. So you can see dish truck in front of us, slowing down. It's going to close that gap to what you set the distance at. So for example, I'm set at 70 miles an hour. We're doing 63 to match the speed of the truck. If I want to speed up, turn signal, and it's going to now follow that Acura in front of us. I will say overall though, I've been really impressed with the car. Super comfortable for long drives. Tons of power to make around town driving really fun. Very, very torquey powertrain. I like it a lot. And wireless Android Auto, that's a big feature, especially at this price point. I know a lot of luxury cars don't even have wireless Android Auto. So that's another big selling point here. You know, for what is, I mean, what, they redesigned this in 2018, so it's not the newest thing on the block either. So the fact it has wireless Android Auto, a lot of companies have wireless CarPlay, not a lot have wireless Android Auto. So that's pretty cool. But overall, man, I'm impressed. I really am. I think as a daily driver, if you want something with a sporty touch but affordable, having a good amount of features and safety and everything, I think this is a perfect car for you. I mean, I forget what year they stopped the manual, but I've driven a 2-liter manual. Honestly, I don't know which one I'd take. Well, I know if I were to buy one, I'd want the manual just because they don't make them anymore, and that's kind of a cool car to have. But I definitely like this 10-speed a lot, and I definitely cannot fault anyone for going for the 10-speed over the manual. It's just that nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.